It takes a village to raise a YouTube channel. Yo, what's going on? YouTube, VVOGs, and my Omi homies. It's your bromie, the Gale, back at it again with a tutorial video and a shout out video. So, it's been an interesting journey so far. I started my Veve journey 3 months ago, March 12th, as you can see in my profile there. And it's been a lot of ups and downs. It's been a lot of learning and adjusting, and it's quite the interesting journey. The journey of a YouTuber as well as a Veve collector. Doing both of those things has taught me a lot, and I've met a lot of people and learned a lot of things. But in this video, I got a few people to shout out. Also, if you didn't know, Veve did like an update, I guess last night, where they took the prices away. Like on your collectibles, you used to be able to see where your price or what you paid for the collectible. So I'm going to show you guys how to see that again, because they took that away for whatever reason. So before that, I gotta shout out my man Kaki Gaijin or Kaki Gaijin or Kaki Gaijin. I'm sure one of those was right. But shout out to you, my bromie. He's a digital artist and a member of the Veve community. And as you can see here, he made this awesome NFT picture of me. I think that's pretty awesome. I feel like I'm looking at a different version of myself. Looks like I'm living large and in charge. Omi is at $3, and you know I done put on some weight because I've been eating good. I got the ring on there. I got the 3D I got the third eye glasses. I got my Givenchy clothes on. That's what's up right there. I likes that. So I bought one. There's only 9 left. So if you want to support a local artist, or not a local artist, but a Veve community artist, you want to come over here to OpenSea.io and check him out. He also made one of Kyle Wilson. That one's dope as well. I like that. He's got talent. He's got a lot of talent. Just scrolling through he's made one of Alfred Kahn as well, and he has one of the Ecomi team. Let me go to that real quick. So this one is titled Team Veve, and I do believe it's sold out. I do own one of these, so I am one of 10 who let's see. You can check the owners over here. See, I see my man Chef Dizzy and Brocknick Blockchain has one, Puddin Cheeks, Geomite, and VVX. So we are all the proud owners of Veve superheroes. Looks like Reese is Arrow or Green Arrow. David is Robin. Dan is Nightwing. And Trevor looks like, what's his name? The assassin. I can't think of it. Anyway, but yeah. And then he's riding a T-Rex. You know that drivable T-Rex is coming soon. So shout out to Kaki Gaijin. Awesome work. I look forward to seeing who else he creates artwork for next. I got to think of some perks for this, because I know like the Bored Ape Yacht Club, like they do like giveaways. I mean like free airdrops and stuff like that. So I don't know. I got to think of something. Like if you buy one of these, I got to think of like, I don't know, you get like some kind of free access, or I don't know, something like that. Let's see. I don't know. I have to think of something. Yeah, that's pretty dope though. That's what NFTs are all about. NFTs can give you access to things. NFTs can give you perks. It can let you into the club, so to speak. Let's say down the line, I got like this crazy Veve showroom or something, and I'm charging everybody else 50 gems to get in. Well, because you have this picture, you get in for free. Something like that. I don't know. I'll have to think about it, but yeah, there's only 9 left, and they're going for 0.02 ETH. So there it is. Shout out once again to Kaki Gaijin. Okay, so this tutorial is brought to you by Gastu on Twitter at Gastu_NFT. This is where I first found the answer to the question of seeing the buy and sell history. You're basically just going to go to profile, wallet, and transactions. So let me show you one time real quick. So this is my count chocula or count calorie, and as you can see down here, you used to be able to see what I paid for it or whatever you paid for it. They took it away. That might be temporary, who knows, but if you want to see how much you paid for something, you go down here to the profile, bottom right corner, and then you go to wallet right here, and then you go to transactions. And after it loads, you should have a complete list of your gem transfers and all that stuff. So let's see what I bought from the store. $49. So I bought a Captain Cornstarch on June 10th, and it gives you the time, and it also gives you the transaction ID. I believe once we move to Immutable X and Ethereum, all of this will be like easily accessible. It'll be on a superior blockchain for NFTs and stuff like that. So this is only temporary, guys, but if you really must see what you paid for something, then you just go over here and you check it out. So yeah, I bought a Fat Tony for $39. Let's see, it's probably Superman, right? Yep, Superman from the drop. So yeah, that's how you check out your purchases. You go to your wallet, transactions, from your profile. Thank you, Gastu, for that information. Next up on the agenda, a big shout out to Lucien Guy Montandon at Montandon Guy on Twitter. If you're wondering where this melodious video game type alien / just chill vibe music is coming from in the background, it's this man right here. He is another Veve community member that is just giving back to the system that is the community. So yeah, he reached out and offered his musical talents, and I accepted with great gratitude, and here we are. So go ahead and give him a follow on the Twitters. Also check him out on Instagram at Guy Mandan. And any other YouTubers, if you want some chill background music or whatever, just tell them what you want, and you guys can work something out. Yeah, this is the business right here. I like that. Like I said earlier, it takes a community to raise a YouTube channel. A lot of this is me, but the help from the community, the likes, the shares, the comments, everything, it gives back to the community. It's a cycle of giving and receiving, and we all win for it. So yeah, this is some awesome stuff right here. Veve community is the best as far as I'm concerned. And the last shout out for the day, shout out to Techno T on Reddit. I just really like this picture, so I've been meaning to shout it out. I like that right there. Like, I like how it took some time and some thought to get this angle to make it look legit like this. Like, just take a minute and admire this. This is artwork right here, and this is just the beginning. Veve is still at its basics. It's grassroots, so to speak, and once we get more functions and stuff, the pictures are gonna go crazy. I'm already knowing. So shout out to tech_no_t on Reddit. Great work. So that's the video, my friends. Short and sweet. I just wanted to shout out a few community members and get that information out to you regarding the transactions. So yeah, killing two birds with one stone here. And yeah, so if you liked the video and found it entertaining, feel free to like the video for your bromie. Help me out in the algorithms and all that YouTube jazz. But yes, community is important, especially when it comes to crypto. I think Veve and Ecomi has a solid community base. We got a lot of awesome people. We got quite a few geniuses, as I can recognize. Game recognizes game out here. People are grinding out here. Making a name for themselves and putting in that work. At the end of the day, this is an investment, and it's for the betterment of our, financial situation. But it can also be fun too, and we're making friends out here, and that's what this is all about, right? That's what crypto is: decentralization. Just making the world a better place, one connection at a time. Each node makes the network stronger, stuff like that. So Thanks for watching the video. I'm not a financial advisor, just the guy out here giving out his opinions and having a little bit of fun while doing so. So, thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Hopefully it'll be the Medium article with the Givenchy drop details. Later.